Welcome to today's video, Forms 101, When and How to Create a Form. I'm Kimberly Wallbank from Quality System Services, and in this video, I'll walk you through when a form is the right tool, when it's not, and how to design forms that are actually useful and compliant. Forms matter because they help standardize how information is captured, whether it's a training record or equipment check. Forms support compliance, traceability, and reduce errors that happen when people document things differently. So when do you need a form? Use a form if the same type of information needs to be collected consistently, if it becomes part of your permanent record, or if traceability is required for audits. Also, anytime approvals or signatures are needed, a form is your best option. On the other hand, not everything needs a form. For example, a running equipment log or a database might work better. If the same data is already captured somewhere else, you don't need to duplicate it. And if the outcome is just a report for trending or monitoring, a form may not be necessary. It's important to understand the difference between a form, a report, and a log. A form is a controlled record that's signed or approved. A report is a summary of data, often for trending or analysis. A log is an ongoing record. Mixing these up is a common compliance issue. To be effective, every form should include some basics: a clear title, a unique form ID, and revision control. Instructions or definitions help make sure people know how to fill it out. And of course, space for data, signatures, and dates to make it official. Here are the most common mistakes I see with forms. First, they're often too complex. If a form takes 20 minutes to figure out, no one will use it correctly. Another mistake is missing revision control. Forms need version management just like SOPs. Forms should also be tied to a procedure, regularly reviewed for usefulness, or they'll become outdated fast. Here's a quick example. Let's say you're a small device company and you need to track equipment cleaning. A form would include fields for the equipment ID, the date, cleaning method, and initials of the person who performed it. Then a supervisor sign-off confirms compliance. This way you have traceable, consistent records. When creating a form, start by defining its purpose. Then identify what data you need to collect. Next, decide where the form fits in your quality system. Link to which SOP or process. Add revision control and instructions. And finally, train your team before rolling it out. Forms don't have to be complicated, but they do need to be thoughtful. When used well, they create clarity, consistency, and compliance. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and tap that bell so you never miss a video. And if you need help drafting or reviewing your forms, feel free to reach out. I'd love to help. See you in the next video.